Hi everyone and welcome to Hampshire Library STEM Club. I'm Karen and today we're going to make a lava lamp. No real lava is required. Instead we're going to use a jar or a smooth bottle, bicarbonate of soda, water, food colouring of any colour of your choice, vegetable oil and vinegar. You will also need either a tablespoon or a tablespoon measuring cup. Because we're doing an experiment, it could get a little bit messy, so it's always a good idea not to wear any fancy clothes and always ask a responsible adult before you get started. And first, we're going to add our bicarbonate of soda to our jar or bottle. So we'll need 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And next we're going to add our water. So we're going to add about 1/4 of the bottle or the jar of water. It doesn't matter if it's a bit more or less than you would expect. That looks about right to me. Yeah. And then we're going to add our food colouring. So the more you add, the darker it gets. So I'm going to add a little bit, making it very dark red. There we are. And next we're going to add our vegetable oil. We're going to add about 3/4. So to about there. But again, it doesn't matter if you add a bit too much or too little. There we are. That's about right. As you can see, the oil sits above the water. It's because oil is lighter, less dense than the water. So always sit above water. Already looks pretty cool, I must say. It looks like some kind of jelly dessert, doesn't it? Right, next we're going to add our vinegar. We're going to add about a tablespoon. Are you ready? Pretty cool, right? So the vinegar that's denser than both oil and water sinks down to bicarbonate of soda, where a chemical reaction starts where carbon dioxide is released, which is a gas that's lighter than water and oil and will rise. And when that happens, it will take bubbles of colored water with it. And when the water gets to the top, it pops. And the water will sink back down. And that will keep happening as long as you keep adding vinegar. So you can still see a couple of bubbles of colored water going up and down. Let's add another one. Another tablespoon of vinegar. It's pretty cool when it first happened, wasn't it? And you can see more colourful bubbles going up and down. Carbon dioxide, which is a gas, isn't very harmful. It's actually the same gas that we exhale as we breathe. So you inhale oxygen and you exhale carbon dioxide. So you don't have to worry about that. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified when we upload more videos. If you have an idea for a STEM activity or experiment you would like to see us do let us know in the comments below. We'll see you next week for another fun STEM activity. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring and stay safe. Bye.